Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the 10-second strategy to trade the touch and no touch on the derivative trader platform. If you're new to this trading platform, use the link I dropped on the description of this video to set up your own trading account. Before I go into the video proper, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do by clicking on the subscribe button below. Also turn on the notification bell beside it so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. For this strategy, for this 10-second strategy, we need two indicators. So I'll first show you how to set up the two indicators and do the other setups. Then after that, we are going to use this strategy to trade live on this platform. The first indicator is the RSI. So it's been added. You come to active, then you click on the setting button here, setting icon. So the color I'm going for white, then the period leave it at 14, then leave it at close, then the overbought set it at 70, go for green. Can use any color of your choice. Then the oversold set it to 30, then use red, then show zones, leave it ticked, then you click done. So this is the indicator here, as you can see on the screen. The second indicator is the fractal chaos band. So you come to click on this indicator icon here, go to others, you see fractal chaos band, click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear on the active. Go to active, then on the fractal chaos band, click on the setting icon here. So once you get there, on the fractal high, you choose green. You can choose any color of your choice. On the fractal low, choose red. So on the fractal channel, leave it at white, and the channel fill, leave it ticked, leave it highlighted as shown on the screen. So click done. So we have completed the two indicator setup for this strategy. So the next thing we are going to do is to set up our touch / no touch trading options. Remember, there are lots of trading options on this trader platform. We have rise and fall, we have touch, we have a whole lot of them. So in this video, this strategy is strictly for the touch / no touch. So let me show you how to set it up. Come to this portion of your screen. You see lots of options, so you go to touch and no touch, as you can see on your screen. You click on no touch. So the next step is to select the number of ticks. So we are going to select 10 ticks. It's already on 10 ticks. So if it's not on 10 ticks, make sure it's on 10 ticks. So this is 10 ticks. Then the next one here is the barrier. Use 0.27 on the barrier. Then the stake is the amount you wish to stake. So you can choose any amount of your choice. For me, I'm going for $50. And the payout will give us 108%. Remember, this strategy is only for touch. So if we win any of the trade, we are getting 108% of our investment. That is to say, we are getting $104 if we win any of the trades. So one thing I like this strategy is the risk to reward ratio is very okay, and the win rate is also very okay. Now we are done with our setup. The idea behind this touch / no touch trading option is, if you look closely on the screen, you see a white line above the current price of this asset. Look at it here, it's called the barrier line. The idea of this touch and no touch trading option is if at the end of 10 ticks the price of this asset will touch the barrier line here, the barrier line is as at the time you open the trade. Okay, this is how this strategy works. On the RSI indicator, once the RSI line touches or cuts across 30, once it does that, then we look at the fractal chaos band here. Once the fractal chaos band here enters the fractal channel and cuts across the green line, that is when we place a touch trade. Let me explain this fractal chaos band properly so that you understand. In between this green line and the red line is called the fractal channel, which is the white portion as you can see on the screen. So once the trend line enters the fractal channel, as it does now, and it cuts across above the green line, that is when we place a touch trade. But first, we have to wait for RSI first to touch or cut below 30. So let me use this strategy to trade live now, so you know how effective this strategy is. First, you need to select your asset here. You can choose any of the assets. There are lots of assets you can trade here. You can trade volatility indices, you can trade forex, you can trade commodities, and the rest of them. So now for us to place a trade, you wait for the RSI line to touch 30, and it just did. Now it has touched 30. The next thing you do is to monitor the fractal chaos band. Once the fractal chaos band cuts across the green line, that is when you open a touch position. Now it touched 30, it has touched 30, so it's now on the fractal channel. So once it cuts across the green line, that's when we place a touch position. So it did not cut across the green line, so we start monitoring again. Okay, it just touched the RSI just touched 30 now. Okay, yes, it just touched 30 now. This 28 here. So now it has touched 30. So that is the first signal. To confirm this signal, we have to look at the fractal chaos band now. So once it cuts across the green line, that's when we open a touch position. Okay. It's now in the fractal channel. So once it cuts across, it just crossed. So we open a touch position. So we just opened a touch position. Okay, the RSI is about to touch 30. This is our first confirm. Okay, the RSI just touched 30 now. This is our first confirmation. So we go to fractal chaos band and see if it will cut across the green line. It just cut across the green line, so we open a touch trade. Well, we won the trade here, as you can see. So we won, so double winning. So that is how to trade with this strategy.